What's up, YouTube? So today I am back with another YouTube video. What's up, y'all? So as y'all can see by the title, y'all already know what I'm gonna do, period. As y'all can tell by this voice, I'm sick, and that's why I haven't been posting. See, like my voice go in and out, and this sound, my voice go in and out, and this sounds so nasty. So that's why I haven't been posting, cause ew. So as y'all can see by the title, you already know what I'm gonna be doing. I'm so excited, even though I already opened it. But I want to do an unboxing video for y'all. So yeah, so right now I'm on my ring light that I used to use, like that I use all the time. This is a ring light that my mom made me until I got a real one. Excuse me, y'all. Excuse my hair. I just woke up, y'all, and I just wanted to do this video for y'all. So yeah, let me at least put on some lip color because alright, y'all. So like I was saying, I'm using the ring light that my mom made for me until I got a ring light. And if y'all want to make one, y'all can make one for real. We got some LED lights from Walmart, and then we wrapped it around this thing that's like a circle. And yeah, so that's what I was using. If y'all was wondering, y'all can make y'all one if y'all want one, because it definitely works, as y'all can see. I got the real ring light, and my brother got it for me for Christmas. I was gonna give myself one whenever I got paid. Never mind, I ain't gonna tell y'all when I got paid, but I was gonna get one. And then Antonio, he was just listening to me, said that I was gonna get myself one, and then he just got me one. So now I don't gotta buy myself one. So like I said, I already opened it because I opened it on Christmas because I was so like happy and stuff. So like I got the stand up already because whenever I didn't want to put that back in the box, because whenever I opened it on Christmas, then it was hard for me to put this up. So here goes. See, look, y'all. It can go all the way out and stuff. Ooh, I almost hit myself. But yeah. So basically, I think I'm gonna just show y'all. And I'm in my brother's room, y'all. So yeah. So I'm sitting on the floor in his room. So I can't wait to put y'all on this channel because I love this one so much better. So I don't know why this keep on doing that, but I don't really care because I got a ring light. Like, stop playing with me, yo. So y'all, I'm finna switch up. First off, I'm gonna show y'all what the ring light came with. I don't know. I know he got this from Best Buy, but I don't know how much it costs or nothing. So just go look at ring lights on Best Buy. So this is the ring light. And this is what it looks like at the back. So it's called a LED ring light kit. And yeah, I know he got this from Best Buy. And this is called SUNPAK. That's the brand of ring light it is. Can y'all see? It's SUNPAK. If I find it on there, on there, then I'm gonna show y'all. But if I don't, I'll still put it in the. I'm probably putting it in the description. So whenever I first opened it, then obviously this was the ring light in here, and then it come with a bag. I didn't open this yet, but I'm sure it just says SUNPAK on it. This is the bag to put it in. See, it says SUNPAK. it's just a bag to put my ring light in. Like if I collab with somebody and I need to use my ring light, I just put it in this bag. Pretty big in here. Got little pouches or whatever. So yeah, guys, I probably won't use this until I get a camera because that's when I want to collab with people. So let me put this back. Actually, I'm just leave that out. So it came so far. It's the ring light and this, and then this is what the tripod came in. Obviously, this little white thing, and the instructions that I didn't use. So I was so happy to use it. And the tripod came in this bag. So whatever. So yeah, y'all. So since this empty, I'm just putting this in a box up here. So now we're gonna open the real deal. Oh, actually, it came with like, you know, them little phone things on the box. It came with, y'all see that little thing? It came with that, but since I already had put it together, I didn't want to take it off because that was hard to put on too. So y'all, was so happy. I just put it back in here just so I could do this video. So here's the ring light. This is what I was talking about, y'all. I could do it any way that I want to. I had to screw it onto the ring light, and so I'm gonna actually. This cord was already connected to the ring light, so I didn't open this or nothing. But actually, it came with this, but it didn't come with a chuck. So I've been using my chuck, or I've been plugging it into the TV back there. But I'm probably gonna have to go get my chuck because I didn't get it. But I'm gonna just screw this on to the ring light, and yeah, y'all, this is 12 feet. The one I was gonna get online was 18 feet, but I don't really care because I don't gotta buy my own. So basically, I think I'm just gonna scoot this camera back and show y'all. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna put y'all on here and I'm gonna plug it up to the TV and turn it on so we can see what it looks like. Alright, y'all, so y'all on the tripod is plugged up, so now we gonna see what it looks like. Y'all, this is the old tripod though. I mean, this is the old ring light. This is the old ring light. I'm gonna turn it on, y'all. Is y'all ready? Is y'all ready or not? Well, 1, 2, 3. Hello. And this is so cute, like, period. Thanks to my brother, period. Y'all, make sure y'all go follow my brother on Instagram, Antonio.Clanton. I'm gonna put it down here somewhere. It's gonna be in the description somewhere. But y'all got my ring light, period, period, period. So this is the, like, the different color kind. Like, it's like red, orange, or something. So this is the mode. We can turn it. Hold on, y'all. So this is obviously my favorite one because period. That's just on period, 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 period. Poo. So y'all, comment down below if y'all like this lighting because I do. Like, I was so freaking happy. Y'all, just wait till I get my hair done. Period. Stay tuned for me to get my hair done because if y'all watch my what's on my Christmas list video, then y'all already know what I said I wanted my hair like. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. Period. Y'all look at that. You can see everything, like, period. That's just period. Now stop playing. Stop playing with me. Excuse the sickness, but I don't care because I got a ring light. Like, hold on, y'all. I'm finna turn the light off. Yeah, y'all. That was the end of this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and comment down below if you like the new ring light, because I do, and I don't care if you don't like it, period, because these videos finna be popping, period. So y'all look at all the fuzzies when I turn off the light. Hold on, I'm finna turn it back on. Alright, y'all, that was the end of this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and comment down below more videos that you think I should do. So yeah, y'all. Peace.